All right, well, the ketosis pen has arrived. I'm going to open it up, show you guys what's inside of it. Bear with me, I am holding the camera with one hand and trying to open the box with the other. So, all right, so when you first open it, this is what it says. Breath sensor for ketosis and weight loss. It's science. It's simple. Your user manual. All right, so it looks pretty straightforward. You see what it comes with, the actual pen. It looks like it comes with a couple of extra tips and the battery. And then for reading the directions, this is what they say. So, welcome to Keyto. We designed the Keyto program to help you overachieve your weight loss and health goals. With the Keyto breath sensor in this box and the Keyto app on your phone, you have the key to unlocking success. You'll be eating delicious foods, losing weight, and many users even report an increase in energy and focus. All right, so let's take a look here. There's the Keyto breath analyzer, which we saw on the box. I guess that's the carrying case we saw at the bottom right. And now this is going to tell us how to use it. So it's telling us we need to go ahead and get the app, download it, and basically follow directions. Well, I'm going to go ahead, download the app, put this thing together, and give this thing a blow. All right, so I went to the getketo.com/app, and it brings you to this page, and you're going to go ahead and click the Keyto app link. I already downloaded it. So I already downloaded it. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and I want to go and get started with you guys. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's see if I'm in ketosis, and let's see if this pen really works. So get started. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email. All right, give me 1 second. Guys, don't peek out there. All right, so I'm almost finished entering in all the details. It's basically going to ask you for your email address, your username, and your password. So I've entered in all of that information. All right, so let's welcome ourselves to the Keyto life, or the Keyto app. Okay, so it says, welcome to Keyto. This program is designed to help you lose weight using the Keyto diet and the Keyto breath sensor. So let's go and click next. How do I succeed? The app will guide you through every step of the way. For the ultimate experience, use the device to know how much fat your body is burning. Next, what should I eat? You can search for any food and you know if it fits the program. We call it the Keyto code. All right, so now it's asking me basically my birth date, gender, starting weight, goal weight, height, and a profile picture of yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter in that information real quick. All right, I'm excited to try this out. All right, so I have all the information entered. I went and clicked next. And it's basically going to give me the notifications. We'll update you when it's important. I went and enabled it. So now this is the home screen of the actual app. So it's telling me tap here to pair to the device. Connect to your Keyto. Please make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, and then turn on your Keyto and tap continue. I do know that the Bluetooth is enabled on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So we know that's on, and I'm going to click continue. All right, well, I finally got the device connected. So let's go ahead and see what my actual Keyto level is. All right, so we went and clicked the Keyto level, and that's a scanning for Keyto device, connected, and I'm guessing it's, okay, warming up. So it's saying tip, do not blow yet, blow when the loader gets to 100%. All right, so obviously we're at 15%, so we have a little bit of a ways to go. So if I'm in ketosis, awesome, that's great. I have been doing my best to follow it so far for the past couple days. I've only slipped up pretty much today, having some cake and some teriyaki sauce, at the hibachi restaurant, stuff like this. But that's the only kind of slips up I had. So hopefully I'm in ketosis. If not, I'm not going to let it get my hopes down, but I'm definitely going to try it again tomorrow. And I'm going to make sure I maintain the diet and really see if this pen works. I want to see if it gives me consistent results, and if I see actual physical results with knowing that my body is in ketosis because of this pen. So if this all works, it will be really cool to be able to take this pen wherever I go, wherever I'm traveling, and just be able to blow into it and see if I'm burning fat. All right. So we're at 92%, prepare to blow. It gives you these tips at the bottom. Keep this away from your mouth to 100. So here we go, 100%. Oh, calculating my score. Am I in ketosis? No, I'm not. I'm at level 2. All right, that's pretty bad. All right, no more cake for me. So I'm not gonna let it get me down, but let's try it again tomorrow. I'm gonna keep eating healthy. I'm gonna work out, and we're gonna do another reading tomorrow and really see if I can get my body into this ketosis fat burning mode. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Follow me on this journey.